Hey everyone, if you're just starting out in web development, you might be wondering, what's the difference between HTML and CSS? Don't worry, I'm here to clear that up for you. First off, HTML, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Think of HTML as the skeleton of your web page. It's used for structuring your content. So everything you see on a web page, headings, paragraphs, images, that's all put together using HTML. Now let's talk about CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. While HTML is all about structure, CSS is all about style. You use CSS to make your web page look good. Colors, fonts, layout, spacing. CSS is what makes your web page visually appealing. Let me give you a quick visual. Here's a basic HTML page. It's functional, but not very pretty, right? Now let's add some CSS. See the difference? The same content, but with CSS, it looks polished and professional. The important thing to remember is that HTML and CSS work together. HTML provides the structure, and CSS brings it to life with style. It's like building a house. HTML is the frame, and CSS is the paint and decorations. So there you have it. HTML for structure, CSS for style. Together they create the beautiful web pages we all love. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly web development content. Thanks for watching.